So I'm here to talk to you today about the Professional Accounting Practice Graduate Certificate. This is a one-year program, but one important aspect that I'd like to highlight is it's a full year. It's 12 months, which is the equivalent of 3 terms. Most of the graduate certificates are 2 terms or 8 months, but this is a full year. So the admission requirements, because this is a graduate program, are a little bit different. So this requires either an Ontario College diploma, an advanced diploma, a degree, or equivalent. So the reason this program is a little bit more accelerated is because our students are coming with a little bit of that background work already done. And your background work actually needs to be in a field that's different than accounting, but with a reasonably good background in mathematics. And if there's any question about if we're meeting those requirements, students have the option to complete mathematics testing. And as Carrie mentioned, we do have those courses that can bring you up to speed on the math requirements and proficiencies that you need. And below I've listed some of the English language requirements as well. They're very similar to some of the other programs. No bands less than 6 on the IELTS. So this is also a relatively new program, but we are confident that our graduates have the option to join the PEP level in the CPA pathway, and we can talk a little bit more about that in one of the subsequent slides. But looking to opportunities as financial auditors or accountants, again, with that option to move toward the CPA designation, generally within private accounting firms, non-governmental agencies, government offices, not-for-profit agencies, and tech startups. So there's a lot of different options in this field, and accounting is one of those skills that is sort of applicable to everywhere you go. Someone needs an accountant pretty much in every field that you can think of. So one of the key highlights that I did want to present is that opportunity to sort of jump in that professional education phase of the Chartered Professional Accountant designation. And that's a really unique opportunity, particularly if you're already coming with a degree background or an advanced diploma, and then you take this one-year program. It's really unique opportunity to jump into that CPA designation. It's a real differentiator in the job search process as well. Certainly from personal experience trying to recruit someone with a CPA designation, by the time I offered them the job, they'd already accepted another one. So it's a very in-demand field. And again, all set out by the CPA. So we don't control those designation pieces, but students are able to connect in with that organization and potentially join in to eventually achieve their CPA designation.